Hi, kindergarten. Today we are going to be reviewing 10 of our sight words that we have learned over the past couple of weeks. We won't be learning any new words this week. We are going to follow the read, spell, write routine, so if you want to get a piece of paper and a pencil to write, this would be a good time to do so, or you can just write the word with your finger in the air. I am not going to go through the whole routine with you for each word since there are 10 words to do, but I will pause and give you time to read the word, spell the word, and write the word just like we did last week. Ready? Let's do it. The word is for. Your turn. Read, spell, and write the word for. The word is have. Your turn. Read, spell, and write the word have. The word is they. Your turn. Read, spell, and write the word they. The word is of. Your turn. Read, spell, and write the word of. The word is said. Your turn. Read, spell, and write the word said. The word is want. Your turn. Read, spell, and write the word want. The word is hear. Your turn. Read, spell, and write the word hear. The word is me. Your turn. Read, spell, and write the word me. The word is this. Your turn. Read, spell, and write the word this. The word is what. Your turn. Read, spell, and write the word what. Before we go, let's look at some sentences. Try to read these sentences and point to the sight words that we reviewed today. Good luck!